Hey Marion, my name is Lee Turbianic and I was doing some research in your area and I came across your website, so I figured I'd shoot you this quick video to show you 3 things that you can do today to beat out your competition online. I'm not trying to waste either of our time, so if by the end of the video you like what you hear and you become more interested on how I can help grow your business, just give me a call and we can chat. If not, no harm, no foul, just take the tips that I've given you in the video and put them into action for yourself. All I ask is for some feedback on this video at the end. So let's jump right into it. 3 major things I want to cover today is content, citations, and backlinks. Now, content is basically anything that you see on this home page. Even the pictures and what they're saved as is considered content, and Google likes to see about 1,500 words on a home page. You got to think Google's just a crawling website and all it can do is read, so if you don't have enough information about what you're offering or who you guys are, along with these important keywords throughout the mix, then it's not going to rank you according to. And as we scroll down on your home page, I like your layout, but you are lacking in the content. You probably have 250, 300 words total on your home page, which is hurting you for ranking purposes. I did a quick search for plumber Katy, Texas, and as you can see, mercyplumbing.com is in first place, so I wanted to kind of see what kind of content they had. And as we scroll down here, you can see they do have content here, some content there, but not much more. You guys are about the same. So if you were to go out and get the 1,500 words of keyword-rich content, you would easily be beating them in that aspect. But let's go back to this main page on Google. So as you can see, I did plumber Katy, Texas, and Google is broke down into 3 sections. This top section up here is Google Ads, and these are very costly and can burn a hole in your pocket if you don't run them effectively. They do work, but if you're ranking in these other 2 sections I'm about to show you, then there's no need to be running any ads. So let's touch base on this GMB section, or Google My Business section. As you can see, Katy Plumbing Company is in first place, and what ranks you in this section is called a citation. Citation is your name, address, and phone number listed in directories across the web, such as Yellow Pages, Yext, CityStar, even Facebook's one of them. And as you can see, you guys are not in this top 3, which is hurting your clients and hurting your sales immensely at this point. So I have a tool I use, it's called WhiteSpark CA, and it's a local citation finder. And I typed in the Katy Plumbing Company's information, and this shows me exactly how many citations that they have to be in first place. They have 40 citations. So the best part about this is this will show me all the sources that they're getting their citations from and if it's submittable. Now these aren't created equal. This domain authority shows how powerful the source is. So as you can see, Facebook.com is a very well-known domain. Everybody knows it. It's trusted. It's going to have a high domain authority. Now as we scroll down, you can see dir.com. I've never heard of it. You guys probably never heard of it. Look at the domain authority, 16. So we want to go after these well-known, high authority citation sources for your guys' business, so we can grab all these. As you can see, these are all submittable. We can grab all the ones that you don't have already, and then also I'd like to add 100, 200 more to your listing. Go up above these guys in ranking, get up in this top 3, and also that puts your name out there in more directories so people can find you when they're looking for your service. So that's citations. Now this 3rd section down here is called the organic section, and this deals with your website. So as you can see, mercyplumbing.com is in first place for plumber Katy, Texas. I'm not seeing you guys on this first page here, which is again hurting you guys, and that's due to a lack of content and keywords. And backlinks. Backlinks is what ranks you in this section. Now a backlink is when one website links back to another website. I'm sure you've seen them before on websites where there's blue hypertext. You click on it and it takes you to another website probably offering the same thing. Well, Google loves backlinks and considers them votes, because if one website is willing to send all its traffic to another website, that must mean it's trustworthy and legit. So I have another tool I use called Ahrefs, and this will show me a basic overview of your site compared to your competitor's site. So as you can see, you guys have, I put in your website, metplumbing.com, you guys have 943 backlinks from 75 websites. You guys are ranking for only 71 keywords and getting about 132 traffic. So I plugged in mercyplumbing.com's. They have 1.74 thousand backlinks from 70 websites, 85 keywords, and they're getting 730 traffic from being in that first place for these keywords. Look at their value, traffic value that they're getting compared to yours. And they're not that far above you guys either. And I want to show you just kind of what traffic they're pulling by being on the first page. So let's go into their keywords. And these are the important keywords that we talk about. Now this is going to show me the keyword, how many times this keyword's being searched each month, and how hard it is to rank for that keyword. So plumbers Katy, Texas, that's showing a volume of 500. That's 500 people typing plumbers Katy, Texas each month. So out of the 500, for him being in first place for this keyword, he's getting 179 traffic. So let's look at yours. Let's see, Katy Plumber. Where was the plumbers Katy, Texas? 500. You are in the 15th position, which is the second page. It goes 1 to 10 on the first page. So you're only getting 4 traffic. So we know his numbers aren't that great, and we know we can get up above him by adding backlinks. And just like the citations, the best part about this tool is I can go into his backlinks and see where he's getting his sources from and go after all the strong ones. So as this loads, we can get into his backlinks right here, and this is going to show me a complete list of every location he's getting his backlinks from, and we can go and try and submit for yours. We know it's working for him, it's going to work for you, but you got to do it over time because these aren't created equally, and Google is smart now, so you have to do a plan and add them to make it look organically. So, but you guys have a ton of search volume in your area. As we go back, you can see Katy Plumbing, 1,300 searches a month. This is Met Plumbing. You guys are in the 12th position. You're only getting six people to your website out of the 1,300. Katy Plumber, 450 searches. Plumbers Katy, Texas, 500 searchers. Plumber Katy, Texas, 450 searches. Katy Plumbers, 250. You guys have so much search volume that you're missing out on by not adding backlinks and doing some proper SEO work to your website. You guys could be swimming in clients left and right, and I'd love to help you guys out with this. I work with plumbers across the United States. I work with Bryco Plumbing, which is out in Woodland Hills. We're redoing his website right now. Here's a quick sneak peek, but this is that content I was talking about. As you can see, these are keywords. So when someone types in Woodland Hills Plumber, we put it throughout your content on your homepage, and Google recognizes it there and then links to you. And if we have backlinks, we can get up above these guys and get on this first page and start getting some real traffic to your website. So let's close out. First thing that we went over was content. Your front page needs at least 1,500 words of keyword-rich content throughout. Google is just a crawling website, so you need a lot of content for it to be able to decipher what you guys are offering and who you guys are, and enough information for your clients to be able to really read through. The second thing we talked about was citations. You guys want to have 200 to 300 of these to beat out these guys by a landslide, plus get your name out there in more directories so people can find you when they're looking for plumber services or sewer services, anything of the sort. And the third thing we talked about was link juice. You need more relevant sites pointing at you guys to show Google that you are the authority. And if you implement these strategies today, you could be #1 across Google. So you can either go with this information I provided you today with on your own, and I'm totally cool with that, but if you want the most effective route and want to save yourself the time, just give me a call at 570-240-5257. Once again, my name is Lee, and my number is 570-240-5257. I know Ashley told me you guys were currently speaking with somebody else, so hopefully I got to you in time and showing you that I can offer a heck of a lot more services than they can and help you guys out. You guys have a great reputation as far as I can see, and just lacking in a couple key areas. So I look forward to hearing back from you guys, and give me a call and shoot me an email, and we could schedule at any time. Thank you. Have a great day.